Welcome to the channel. Today in this tutorial, let's see how to use dark theme in Python ideally. Here we can see the light theme. To use dark theme, go to option, configure ideally, and here you can see settings window. In this we need to go to the second tab, that is highlights, and here you can see highlighting theme. Here built-in theme is selected. So in this, if we click on this, here you can see ideally classic, ideally dark, ideally new. So I'll go to the ideally dark. Here you can see the sample, apply and OK. Here we can see the dark theme. And here this is the shell. Okay. And if you don't like light theme as well as dark theme, then you can create your own theme here. For that, we need to go to option, configure ideally. In the settings window, highlights tab. Here in this side, here you can see choose color for different colors. And in the next tab, here you can see normal code or text. And if I click on this, here you can see different categories like Python keyword, definition, Python built-ins. If I click on Python keywords, here we can see orange color, right? So in this theme, for Python keywords, orange color is used. If I want to change that, then I can use green color. So select green color. Okay. So this is the new theme, right? So that's why we need to give a new name to this. Something my creation and here. Okay. So now here you can see a custom theme is selected and here you can see our theme name. So here we can select different categories, for example, normal code, and you can select different colors. Apply and OK. Here you can see the yellow color, right? And also here you can see foreground and background, right? So if I want to change the background color for normal code or text, this is the background for normal code or text, right? So if I want to change that, let me select this one. Okay, apply and OK. Here you can see this color is changed now. This is the background for normal code or text. This is string, so its background is different now. If you want to change that, option, configure ideally, highlights. Here we need to select string. Where is that? Here, Python strings. Then here you can see the foreground and background. So select background. We want to change the background color. Choose color for, select this color. OK, apply and OK. Here you can see. Here you can create your own working environment by creating your own theme. And here if you want to delete this theme, just use delete custom theme. Yes, and done. Apply and OK. Okay, so this is about different themes in Python ideally. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.